Have you accidentally enabled sleep mode on Instagram and are now missing important notifications? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn it off. Just follow these simple steps. Start by opening the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Next, go to your Instagram profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access your Instagram settings. In the Settings menu, tap on the Time Management option, then scroll down and select Sleep Mode. This will take you to a page where you can manage the sleep mode feature. If you no longer want sleep mode enabled, simply tap the switch to turn it off. Once you do this, Instagram will start sending you notifications normally again, without any interruptions. I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more similar tutorials. See you in the next one.